Hi guys, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete, my home improvement and consulting channel. Today's video with my brother's house, Daniel,
Yes.
and he needs some help. So Daniel, what do you need?
Alright, so we're busy with a home gym transformation, alright? But the walls look terrible. I don't know how to paint them, so I need your help with that.
No problem, let's get to it. Just very quick, please subscribe to my channel and remember to click on the notification bell.
So, Clifton, how are we going to paint this wall? Where are we going to start?
Daniel, to do it the right way, we have to follow the right steps. So let's start with the first one.
Alright.
Firstly, we have to inspect the walls.
Why do we have to inspect the wall?
Well, Daniel, to see if there are any cracks.
Oh, okay. But do we have any?
Luckily none. If any, I will show you how to fix cracks in one of my next videos.
Well, we do have one problem. We've got a lot of dust on the walls.
That's no problem. Just use a dry cloth to wipe the wall.
Okay.
We do have some cracks on the corners, and before we start painting the wall, we should fix that first. I'm going to use a white acrylic paintable silicone to fill the cracks along the wall and the corners. Guys, this is real simple. To apply the silicone, I'm going to use a silicone gun. As soon as you start pressing the gun, the silicone will start coming out of the tube. Run along the wall by following the cracks. Use your finger to spread the silicone and then use a damp cloth, just to give the silicone an even spread. There we go. The walls are clean and all the cracks along the corners are fixed. Now we can go start prepping.
Okay, so Okay, you need some help. I'm really done with all of this. How do we prep everything to paint the wall?
To paint the wall, we're going to start by removing all the electrical paint covers. Also remove the blinds so we don't get any paint messed on them. Also, we are putting some paint tape along the door frame, the windows and the floor together with a drop sheet so we don't mess on the floor. The paint tape also helps creating a straight line when cutting paint.
Okay.
Okay guys, we're almost ready to start painting. For this application, Daniel chose a nice grey color for his home gym. So, I decided a water-based brilliant sheen would be perfect for this job. It's a good, durable paint, it's washable and easy to maintain. The spread rate on this paint is 6 squares per liter.
So, let me ask you a question. Does it differ from paint to paint?
It does, Daniel. You can go work it out on your paint calculator, which you can find on Google, ask your local hardware or the paint shop. So, to apply the paint, I'm going to use a 15mm paintbrush for all the cuttings.
Got another question. Can I use a different size or should I use the same size?
Really up to you. You can use any size, as long as you feel comfortable.
Okay.
Most important when using a brush is to do short, evenly strokes like this. Then to cover the rest of the wall, I'm going to use a normal short Mohair roller. I prefer using it because it spreads the paint evenly. Don't roll too fast,
Why not?
it will splatter all over you.
Okay.
Also use a slow up and down motion and almost in a crisscross direction. If you just go up and down, it will form visible stripes on the wall. Continue like this and before long you will have a perfectly painted wall. If you need to paint a second coat, especially going from dark to light, give your first coat 2 to 6 hours drying time.
Let me just ask you something. So if you're not sure about the time, you said 2 to 6 hours, how do you know how long it will take?
Just read back of the drum your suggested drying time.
Okay.
If you don't have the tools to paint your wall, I've added the full list in the video description down below. So Daniel, awesome color you've chosen. What do you think?
Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. But Clifton, we need one thing because it's a little bit empty and I would love to install some mirrors. But the type of mirrors that I like, I don't know how to install them. So I need your help if that's okay, if that's possible.
No problem. So guys, check out the next videos, how to hang mirrors on the wall. Have an awesome day and remember, keep it simple.